Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the wood grain technique with alcohol inks. This is such a fun and really easy design. You can use so many different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what colors I use to achieve my wood grain look here. I started with a prepped and painted tumbler, and make sure that you use matte white spray paint. It works best with alcohol inks. So to start off, I started with my lightest color first, then I went in with my darkest color to add some depth. I don't add too much ink to my brush at a time. I like using a more dry brush. It helps give that textured look for the wood grain. You're gonna notice that I dip my brush into something to add the alcohol ink to the cup. I don't wanna drip the alcohol ink down the cup. That tends to run around the cup and give us lines where we don't want those lines. Working with alcohol inks is a lot of fun, and it's really easy to correct any mistakes that you feel like you might have made. It's very forgiving. If you feel like there's an area that's too dark, you can always just dip your brush in a tiny amount of 91% alcohol, or you can go in with your lighter color inks and run that over the darker area, and it will lighten it right up. If you feel like it's too light, then you can go back in with your dark ink and just kind of play around and alternate those things until you get the desired look that you're going for. To get a really good wood grain, I feel like it's really important to use longer brush strokes and to have the right kind of brush. This is just a cheap brush that I got from Walmart. I believe you can get them probably at any craft store. And just a little tip, make sure you're wearing gloves and you cover your workspace. Alcohol ink is very messy and it stains, so make sure you're protecting your workspace and protecting your hands. So here is what it looks like under one coat of epoxy. It is absolutely beautiful. At this point, you are ready for your decals and your final coats of epoxy. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really love how pretty this turned out. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss new content I upload every week. And be sure to join us in our VIP group on Facebook.